Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So, nandito kayo dahil nabasa nyo naman yung title. So, this is my very first day of training here in Athena. So, sa mga familiar na sa Athena, ayan. So, I will try to create content about my journey here at Athena. So, I know most of us have heard na ma-proseso talaga ang hiring process ng Athena. Actually, there are 10 steps. So, currently, nasa pang 10th, uh, pang 8th na step na ako, which is ang training. So, training will last for 6 weeks. However, for the first 2 weeks, ay on-site siya. So, depende kung saan ka ma-assign. Kasi ako sa Caloocan ako nakatira sa bagong baryo. Pero na-assign ako dito sa Alabang, which is medyo malayo siya. And sagot naman nila ang hotel accommodation and food. So, naka-check-in kami. Oh, sorry. So, naka-check-in kami for 12 days. So, sa 12 days na yon, bawal kaming magpapasok ng kahit na sinong visitor, kahit kapwa trainee, bawal silang pumasok sa room namin. So, sa ibang room yan, tapat ko, mga kapwa trainee ko rin sila, pero hanggang chat lang kami, hindi kami pwedeng pumasok sa kanya-kanyang room. Sabi nila kasi, para daw, bakit nga ba kailangan naka-hotel accommodation? Eh, nasa Metro Manila lang naman. Para makapag-focus sa training, one, walang distraction, di ba, sa bahay, kahit pa paano naman is, madami kang pwedeng gawin. Here, wala kang ibang gagawin kundi mag-aral. Mag-focus sa training. At the same time, hindi mo na pwedeng i-reason na late ka or whatnot. Kasi given na lahat. So, I think maganda din siya. Only thing lang about me is I'm a mom. So, I'm a first-time mom. I have a 1-year-old. So, kanina, nung sa bahay namin, nung nagbababay na ako. Actually, kagabi pa. Kasi ang check-in dapat is kahapon. Kaso nagpaalam lang ako na ngayon ako mag-check-in ng morning kasi kailangan ko pang tapusin yung, may kulang ako sa medical ko. So, going back to the story, kahapon pa umiyak, yakap ko yung anak ko kasi I'm a breastfeeding mom as well. And kanina habang nagbababay ako, umiyak talaga ako, parang OFW, masakit sa puso. Pero sabi ko nga sa husband ko, pagbaba ko ng sasakyan, aalisin ko muna lahat ng feeling kasi I wanna focus sa training. Kasi ito namang pagsasacrifice na to, ginagawa ko para sa anak ko din. To be able to provide her the future that she deserves, diba? So going back to Athena, nag-check-in ako kaninang 10 a.m. It is now 12:30. Ang start ng training naman later is 5 p.m. Pero we need to be at the site ng 3:30 p.m. So, provided na rin ng food. So, ang site lang naman from my hotel is 20 minutes na walk. Pero 5 to 7 minutes lang na ride. So, super lapit lang. So, right now, I'm currently reviewing kasi sabi, as a guideline, dapat na-review namin. May alam, papasok kami na may alam kami. 'Di ba? So, I'm currently reviewing, nag-aayos ng mga logins, and papakita ko sa inyo yung room. I-insert ko yung video dito. Ito yung full view ng room ko. So, I think ito queen size. Isang queen size. May desk. Then, ito, sorry. Ito yung mga gamit ko. Takpan ko na. Yan yung maleta sa baba. Yan, ganyan. May TV. And, syempre, ito ang CR. Naligo na ako kaya may mga kalat na dyan. Ayan. Hello guys, so time check. It is currently 2 a.m. 2:27 a.m. So we just got back here sa hotel from our first day of training. So so sorry if ganito yung tono ko kasi super pagod and antok. So after training, we have take home activities pa. Pero what I would do is I will sleep first kasi super tired. And how was the first day of training? I would say at first it was okay. It was happy with all the introduction and stuff. However, once you get to the activity and discussion part, it is really mentally draining. So if you aspire to really apply sa Athena, you need to get ready kasi training is day one pa lang to ha. It's not easy. It's not easy. But I'll give a more detailed explanation siguro pag nakatulog na ako. But for now, the site is really cozy. Sobrang ganda ng interior. And food-wise, sobrang generous nila sa food. Free food. And ngayon, so out of 5 meals, 2 lang nakain ko, 3 dala-dala ko dito sa hotel. So, sa food naman, wala kayong paproblemahin. Talagang busog kayo, guys. But I'm just really tired. Kahit nakaupo ka lang ha, the whole shift. But it really takes a lot of your strength. So you need to really prepare yourself. Do all the necessary preparations, review, even yung paggamit ng MacBook Air if di ka sanay sa MacBook Air. But yeah, let's see tomorrow. I will sleep first. Hi guys! So, today is the next day. So, sobrang tired na talaga after shift kagabi. We were at the hotel at around 2:20 a.m. So, right now, current time is 2:20 p.m. So, nagising ako kanina around 8, pero natulog ulit ako. Nagising ako ulit 12 na. So, pagkagising ko, kumain lang ako. Nag-prepare na ako to get ready ulit papunta sa training site. So, training site is 7 minutes away lang naman dito. Pupunta ako mamaya mga 4 p.m. na siguro. Maaga lang ako nag-ready para dire-diretso na ako. But right now, I still need to finish a lot of, because we have after hours na work. So, we have homeworks. And I have my laptop here para tapusin yung mga kailangan tapusin, mag-review para maging ready para sa mamayang session. So, one thing na may advice ko sa mga gustong mag-try is to really prepare yourself. Training, so sa mga may BPO industry na experience, it's really different. Training is very different. And it's very, alam mo yung parang pagod na pagod yung utak mo, na pati katawan mo, hindi mo na malayan at the end of the day, pagod na rin. It's like that. But siguro fulfilling in a way na madami ka talagang matututunan and hindi ka dapat mag-focus sa negative side and whatever you're feeling. Doon ka mag-focus na ang dami-dami mong pwedeng matutunan at pwede mong magamit yung skills na yun. 'Di ba? Para sa advancement ng career mo. So, I don't think makakapag-video ko ng entire week kasi I really need to focus in the training kasi sobra. Day 1 pa lang yun ha, pero there's more to come and mas extensive pa talaga. So, I need to put my 101% focus sa training. So, this is just the day 1. Siguro I'll give an update at the end of the training and snippets lang of the whole week that I have. Oh, the whole 2 weeks that I have here sa hotel accommodation. And I don't have any video clips sa training room kasi it's not allowed, guys. We need to practice confidentiality. Whatever happens in the training room stays in the training room, and we need to value that. As a VA then, confidentiality is very important for us. So, di na ako nag-video sa training room and wala akong time to do that. But I have snippets of videos sa common areas na pwede naman mag-videos like sa pantry. So, I will insert that here. Ayan. So, yeah, I guess that's it. Siguro I'll create a separate video about my review talaga sa aking Athena training experience, as well as the interview and hiring process. If you want that, just let me know, and I'll try to, as much as possible, help you guys and really prepare you to this journey. Kasi kahit gaano siya kahirap, masasabi kong super worth it naman. Sa mga bagay na matututunan mo, dun pa lang talagang worth it na, sa benefits pa. So, lalo na if wala ka namang experience sa pagiging executive virtual assistant, sobrang gandang opportunity na itong binibigay ng Athena. And masasabi ko maganda rin naman ang mga benefits nila. So, I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, feel free to comment lang.